Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing together, alright? In today's video, we're going to draw broccoli. Okay, let's jump to the paper together. Okay, then at the first, I need you to make the branch of the broccoli. So I will start with this shape. So you can follow me like this. So from here, one, two, right, then like this, all right, and then next one from here you just go like this, right, and then like this. Okay, after that you can go like this, and like this. Keep continue. All right, then like this. All right. Okay, after that I will go with the branch. So from here just all the way going down like this, and then go to this, and then from here connect to here, so will be like this. All right, okay, I got this kind of shape already, and then after that we're going to make the leaves of the broccoli. So start from this, I will go to this, so you can go like this, then one, and then two, like a little bit like this, guys, a bit curve like this. All right, like this, then just continue like this, right? Okay, looks great, guys. Continue to do like that. All right, okay, then last one like this. All right, after you have this one, and then you can see that it's already like looks like broccoli, then I need you to make a fun part, which is the expression here. So I will give the expression here, so just give a circle here. All right, correct, and then the circle here. Okay, after that you can give a small circle inside the circle like this. All right, then just give a black color as usual, guys. All right, okay, hope you guys learned something today. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't worry about the drawing. My drawing not good, my drawing not so nice. No, everyone can draw. All right, everyone is unique. There is no bad drawing, there is no good drawing. Everything everyone do is unique. All right, so the very important thing is keep practicing. All right, okay guys, then I will give a small mud like this, right? Okay, alright guys, I think I will go to the next process, which is coloring. You guys can follow the video. I will speed up the video. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, this is the final result of broccoli. Hope you guys learning something today. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.